Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this baddie inspired makeup look using all drugstore products. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, so we're just going to jump right into this tutorial. First, I'm going to go in with my NYX Bear With Me Prep Prime and Refresh setting spray, and I'm just going to drench my face in that. My face has been really dry lately, so I need all the moisture I can get. And then I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand. It's number 20, I believe. I don't have it right in front of me, but basically all I'm doing is taking this and applying it to any blemishes or acne scars that I may have, just so that I can get a more full coverage with my foundation. Alright, now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in shade number 238. I'm just taking this and blending it with my Real Techniques blending brush. And it might look a little lighter on camera, but it looks fine in person. This is probably my all-time favorite drugstore foundation. Although they say that the Super Stay is a lot better, but I haven't tried that one yet, so yeah. So now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer again in the shade 20, and this is going to be to highlight all the highest points of my face. So I'm going to go under my eyes, my nose, my chin, my cupid's bow, and also my forehead. I'm going to take the shade 20 is what I'm using now, and then I'm going to go over that with the shade number 10, which is the lighter shade, just for a more bright eye effect. Okay, so now I'm just going to let that concealer sit on my face because I want it to get a little tacky before I blend it in, so it doesn't move all over. It just stays in the place that I want it to. And I'm going in now with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. I'm not sure if it's number 40 or 50, but I know the name is Cafe for sure. I'm just adding this to add depth and create shadows on my face. You know, I got a round face, so we got to kind of make it look a little slim, okay? Here you'll just see me going in and blending that out with my AOA Studio brush. I got this brush set off of Shop Miss A. If you don't know about Shop Miss A, you definitely got to get with it because everything on there, well, most things on there are $1, and it's very affordable. You can get anything on there. You can get a full face of makeup for everything $1. Okay, so it's like an online Dollar Tree. Yeah, get with it. And y'all, don't mind my faces. You know, it comes with trusting the process. You gotta look bad before you look good. You feel me? Okay, so now I'm taking my Real Techniques blending sponge, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend out that concealer that was sitting on my face. Okay, so now we're going to go in with our Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light. And we're going to set that under our eyes. First, I'm going in with my beauty sponge to really press that powder in. And then I'm going to take my Real Techniques setting brush to just brush over all the other high points of my face. Okay, so here you're going to see me go in with my beauty sponge to blend out my creases on my eyelids before I set it with powder. You don't want to set the powder. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pressed Powder just to set the contour from earlier. I'm doing this with a Dew Color, I think that's the name of it, Dew Color brush set that I got off of Amazon. I love these brushes so much. It comes with the case and everything. Okay, so now you're going to see me go back in with that setting brush that I used for my setting powder under my eyes. I'm just kind of blending out the bronzer shade so it's not too harsh. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder, and I'm taking a different brush from that brush set from Amazon, and I'm just going all over my face just to set the places that I haven't set already. Okay, so now you're going to see me go in with my beauty sponge and a little bit more of that Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder just to kind of define my contour a little bit more. And I don't know if I mentioned this earlier or not, but when using a beauty sponge, you want to make sure that it's damp and not dry. Okay, so now I'm just going to take that big powder brush from earlier and just dust that away. Okay, so now I'm going to take that Prep and Prime spray again and kind of drench my face with that. After using the powder, you want to always bring light back to your face and kind of let it set. And also I'm going to go in with some L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, and I'm going to apply my lashes off camera and be right back. So now that I have applied my lashes off camera, I'm going in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, just applying this to my waterline. This gives like a bright eye effect, like it opens up your eyes, makes them feel bigger, so I love that. Okay, so now I'm going to take my e.l.f. Gleam Glow highlighter palette, and I'm going to go in with the second shade on the first row. This that face you make when you know you're about to look like a glazed donut. No, but this highlighter shade was a little too light for me. I'm not gonna lie, but hey, we'll make it work. I didn't mention this, but this is another Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm also just, going in and highlighting the high points of my face. I'm going to take this blending brush from Real Techniques and just kind of blend that out. And then I'm going in with this Maybelline Fit Me blush. I think it's the shade Pink. And I'm just going to take It's My Ray Ray brush from BH Cosmetics and kind of just place that to blend out my contour and my highlight. Alright, so let's get into literally the cheapest products of the whole video. This is an NK Bold Lip Liner from the beauty supply store. Girl, $3, okay? You want that. You need that in your life. Alright, and then we're going to go in with Ruby Kisses Forever Matte Lipstick in the shade Honey Bunny. Shout out to at Vanity Throne on Instagram. Visha girl, this lip combo, I'm living for it. Alright, so now I'm just topping that with some NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. This is my favorite lip gloss from the drugstore by far. I'm going in with this NK lip gel and just placing that on the center of my lip. It's really sticky, so all you need is a little bit. And then I'm going to drench my face in some more of this setting spray. And that concludes the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my new video coming on Friday.